You bought a TRICO Rear wiper blade. Now what? This video will show you how to remove your old wiper blade and install the TRICO Rear blade onto a hook arm. To remove your old blade, lift the wiper arm up as far as it will go. Locate the Blade Release tab below the adapter in the middle of the blade. Push the Adapter Release tab down while pulling the blade toward the wiper arm. Lower the blade until it disengages from the wiper arm. Now that the old blade is removed, it's time to install your new blade. First, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. Push the arm end through the hole in front of the blade adapter and push the blade into the arm hook until it locks in place. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm. It's that easy. Now you're ready for the road ahead.